In this video, I will show you how to pad numbers with leading zeros in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some numbers in this column. Now I want to make all these numbers 3-digit numbers by adding leading zeros to them. For example, for the first number, which is 2, I want to add leading zeros to make it 002. Similarly, for the second number, which is 17, I want to add a 0 at the front to make it 017. Since the fourth number is already 3 digits, there will be no 0 added to the front. To pad numbers, we can use the Excel text function. The text function converts a number to text in the given format. This function accepts two arguments, the number and the format we want. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type text followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the number as the first argument. Since we want to add leading zeros to numbers to make them 3 digits, I am going to use 000 format. Type a comma and then type 000 in the double quotes as the second format argument. Here 10 represents 1 digit. So if you want 4-digit numbers, use the 4 zeros format. For 5-digit numbers, use the 5 zeros format, and so on. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have all the numbers with 3 digits by adding the zeros at the front. 2 zeros are added at the front for the first number to make it a 3-digit number, and 1 0 is added to the second and third numbers. Since the fourth number is already a 3-digit number, no zeros were added. The text function converts the numbers to text while applying the format. So if you just want to pad the numbers with leading zeros for display purposes, or you do not want to convert the numbers to text, you can use the custom formatting to add zeros at the front. To do that, select all the cells and press the Ctrl and 1 key on the keyboard to open up the Format Cells dialog box. Now click the Custom option from the left side. Delete everything from the Type text box and then type 000 to make 3-digit numbers. Again, adjust the number of zeros as per your requirements. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. As you can see, we now have the numbers padded with the leading zeros without using any formula. Now, if you click on any number with leading zeros and look at the formula bar, you will see the original number without 0. That is because only the number formatting is changed, not the numbers themselves. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.